Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to make stunning videos without any editing experience? In this video, I'll show you how to create professional looking videos using Canva. It's fast, free and beginner friendly. Let's get started. First of all, go to canva.com and log into your account or create a free account. In the search bar, type video or choose from options like Instagram Reels, Instagram story, Facebook video, TikTok video. Pick a template that matches your style. Canva has thousands of ready-made designs you can fully customize. Once inside in your video editor, replace the text with your own message. Change color, change colors and fonts to match your brand. Double click on it, then fonts and select a style, then color, click A, then color, choose from here. Upload your own photos or video or use Canva's built-in media. For that, click on uploads, then uploads file and drag it here. Drag and drop element like sticker shapes and icons from elements. You can add also a music from here. You can also trim clips, rearrange sentences and control how long each slide shows. Let's make it sound great too. Click audio. On the left panel, choose from free music from here or upload your own music from your computer. Adjust the volume. To fit the mode, to add voiceover, click uploads, then record yourself. Or this is perfect if you are making tutorials, ads or explainer videos. Click between slides to add pages transitions. Select any text or image and click animate. Choose from option like fade, pop, etc. Animation adds that professional polish, especially for social media videos. When you are done editing, click on share button from here. Then choose download and choose the video file type like MP4 video. You can also post directly to platforms like YouTube, Instagram or TikTok right from Canva. And just like that, you have made a video in Canva. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Let me know in the comments what kind of video you will create next with Canva. See you soon. Thanks for watching.